In primetime news this evening, wrong direction. COVID deaths on the rise. Health Minister suggests reasons for current trend. Join the line. Cuban COVID-19 vaccine to be ready by month end, but no preferential treatment for Jamaica. And later, ganja farmers outline needed sector improvements. Part 2 of a TVJ News special feature.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the Business Day, Primetime Sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the Cuban COVID-19 vaccine? You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.